Hey, welcome everyone. In this WordPress tutorial, I'm going to show you all of you guys that how you can add an under construction pages to your WordPress website. Okay, so for doing that, I'm going to use a really super popular under construction plugin. Okay, so let's go and add that plugin. So simply click here, plugins. And after that, you can see in your dashboard, this is the WordPress dashboard actually. After clicking plugins, you will be redirected here. This is actually will show you all the plugin that you have already installed in your WordPress website. But we are going to add a new plugin. Okay, for that, click here, add new. Simply click here, add new. Okay, and after that, search here for under construction. Under you. under construction. Okay, under construction, and search here. And after that, you can see here this is the plugin that we're going to use by Web Factory Limited. Okay, so simply click here, install now. Alright, so you can see that it's installing, and after that we are going to activate this. Simply click here, activate. Alright, so you can see that the plugin already activated, and after that from here you can go to settings. Simply click here, settings, the under construction plugin settings page. You can change everything. Okay, so you can see that it's loading. So after coming to this page, you will see this pop-up. I'm just simply clicking here. I don't want a free license, don't show this again. Okay, I don't want to see this again. And from here you can control all the things, but you can see here there are a few tabs: main tabs, design tabs, content tabs, access tabs, support tab, and pro tab. Okay, so at first we will see the main tab. In the main tab we have a few different settings. At first we have under construction mode, and we can make the status on, and if I click save changes here, okay, and after that I'm just simply copied my domain name and open this website in a new window. Okay, and then type here. Let's see the magic here. You can see that this is our under construction page. It's showing in our website. Okay, if you make that on, I mean this one on, then this is going to enable this beautiful under construction page. Okay, and if I make this off, simply click here, off, and save changes, and again go back to this new window and reload this, and right now you will see your website because the under construction mode is off right now. Okay, so let's go and make that off. On. Let's on, and then click here, save changes. Okay, so you can see that, and then simply reload this. You can see that, guys, this is our under construction page. So let's go and see other settings, and just scroll down below. This second options right here, prevent search engines from indexing the temporary site, is by default on, and if you want to it's by default off, and if you want to make this on, you will have to purchase their pro version. Okay, if you click here and open this link in a new tab, pro feature, this is going to take us to a new page of this plugin. I mean their official website where you can purchase the pro version. Sorry, it's not taking us there, it's taking us to the settings page maybe. Okay, I'm just simply closing the because I'm not going to purchase the pro version. I will just show you how you can use the free version and use this plugin. Okay, so I'm just after that you can set a end time from here. By default it's off, but if I on this, simply click here on, and after that you'll get an option to the automatic end date and time. Simply click the end date let's select the year 2021, and then let's select December of 2021, and the date will be 7. Okay, and then save changes. All right, and then simply again come here and reload this page, and this under construction mode will be automatically removed after this date that we have selected. Okay, you don't have to manually make this on. Okay, off. So after that, if you want to disable this right now, then just simply make this off, and simply make this off. Okay, this under construction mode off. So I'm just simply clicking here off, and obviously you have to click and save changes. And then simply reload this, and you will be able to see our website because we have make that off. So simply I'm again going back and making this on. Alright, so I'm just again making this on. Alright, so I'm again scrolling down below, and after that we have another option, Google Analytics tracking. So do you want to allow Google track this plugin? I just don't want, that's why I'm making this on. Okay, off. And after that, if we want to reset the settings, then simply click here, reset all settings to default values, but I don't want. Okay, that's why I'm not clicking here, and I'm saving this again. And after that, we will right now see all the settings about design. I'm just simply clicking here, design, and here you will get a lots of pre-made template, which will be the preview of your under construction page. If I simply go to the website front end and reload this, you'll be see that we have this theme right here. Okay, this is the preview. It's showing us this one because we have selected this one from here. But if I select any other free theme from here, we have free and paid theme both. Okay, so I'm just simply selecting this, or simply select this. This is looking really nice and it's free, and simply click here, activate. Okay, it's going to be activated. All right, I think it's already activated, and let's go to our front end and reload this. I hope the preview will change. You can see that the preview have changed. It's looking really nice. Okay, we have beautiful text. I will show you that how you can change the text. You can also change the image. You can change this icon here. Okay, we have a short text here. Okay, let's see. So I'm again coming back to my dashboard, and you can see that here's a lots of pre-made templates available, or you can call it theme. Okay, here pro and free both are available. Okay, so I'm scrolling up, and then I'm simply clicking here content. Okay, so from content, if you want to change the headline, I mean this one, sorry we're doing some work on the side, you'll have to simply change this from here. This is the headline. If I add something different here, sorry we're unavailable, unavailable, maybe my spelling is not correct, sorry for that if I spell that wrong. So we're doing unavailable, we're unavailable for next 1 week. Okay, and then if I save this, all right, so save this, and I come here and reload this page. All right, friends, that you can see that our title is changed. Okay, So simply I'm again going back and scrolling down below, and if I want to change the text, I mean this text here, okay, this text, you can easily change that from right here. Okay, I'm not changing this, so I'm just keeping this default. And if you want to style this, you can easily style this. If I want to style this, then just select this like, and after that I want to make this bold. Okay, and then I want to change the color. Let's go and change the color into something like green. Okay, so it's this will look more focused right now, I hope so. And after that, simply click here, save changes. Alright, so and then go here again and reload this, and you can see that the color have changed. Okay, and after that, if you want to remove this login button here, okay, simply you'll have to go back again and then scroll down below, and then I just don't want to show our login button, so that's why you have to make this off. Okay, simply click here off and then save changes. Okay, so it's saved, and then again come back here and then reload this. You can see that the login button is not available now. So let's go back and scroll down below, and let's see that how we can add a Facebook social link. Let's add our Facebook page link here. You can add your Facebook page, your Twitter profile link, Google page link, then LinkedIn profile link, YouTube page or video, etc., etc. So I'm just simply entering our Facebook page link here, and you can enter the Twitter profile link here. Okay, I'm just putting here hash, and then hash LinkedIn hash. Okay, and then save here. You can easily enter your profile link here, so you can see that it's not taking. Okay, so let's go and twitter.com. Okay, this is our page name, and save this. I'm just simply youtube.com and save changes. You put all the link that you have from a Twitter, Google, LinkedIn. I'm just using this for demo purpose. Okay, that's why it's looking really ugly. So simply I'm just clicking here and then reload this, and here I hope so you will be able to see this link. We have 5 different social media links. You can add your own social media links here. Okay, so I hope that this video was really helpful for all of you guys. So that's how easy it is to add a under construction page, this beautiful under construction page, to your WordPress website. Okay, so I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please hit the like button, and if you face any types of problem, then feel free to comment down below, or you can also contact us through our website. The link is already given in the description below. Okay, and please subscribe our channel for more upcoming video tutorials, more better than this. Okay, so see you in the next video. Goodbye.